So today I'm answering a question from some of you asking me how I shoot these videos, how I do the editing, the shooting, kind of putting together the videos on this channel. So I thought I'd do a little video explaining to you guys how I do this and taking you through some of the equipment I use. So maybe if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, this would be really useful to you. So keep watching. I have a little confession to make. I have quite a long background in photography and a slightly more recent background in making videos. So I've been doing it, I think, for over 10 years, the photography side, and the videos I've been doing it for about 4 or 5 years. So I have some experience, but that is not to say that you can't start a YouTube channel without any experience. You can. It's been made so easy these days to post up YouTube videos and edit them. It's very easy. So in the first part of the video, I'm going to show you the bare minimum number of equipment you need to start a YouTube channel, and it's really simple. And the first piece of equipment you need is the humble smartphone. So this is my Samsung S7 Edge. It shoots amazing videos. It really is surprising the quality of the videos you can get from this. So if you want to start, you have a smartphone, either an iPhone or Samsung, this is the perfect start. You don't need anything else. Second thing I think you need is a mini tripod. So this tripod is for my phone, for the Samsung. So if you have an iPhone, you just get a tripod for your iPhone, and it just to give you stability. You don't want like a really wobbly camera when you're shooting. You just put your phone here, your smartphone here, and you can just shoot stable angle, stable camera, and you should get really decent quality videos. And the third and final piece you need to get you started is a microphone. So this is a clip-on microphone. So you just take it, you clip it to your shirt collar or just to your t-shirt, and the other end plugs to your phone. So for my Samsung, I've got this one. This end goes into the back of the phone. This I clip to my shirt, and it gives amazing audio, and it's really cheap. I think I got this for less than 15 bucks from Amazon, so you can get it for really cheap. So I would say make sure the microphone is the most crucial. Bad audio really kills a video. You can get away maybe with substandard picture quality, but bad audio, people are just going to log out and just say, what the hell is this? So that is how simply you can start a YouTube channel with just 3 bits of equipment. So now let me show you how I do it. But if you want to have control over the quality of the videos, if you want to have full control, then most likely you will end up needing some of these equipments, if not all of them. Let's go. So the first piece of kit you need is obviously a camera. So mine is this one. It's a 750D by Canon, and it's a really solid camera. It's never let me down. I got it for about £500, which is about $600, which is not that expensive considering some cameras go up to thousands of pounds. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but what I really like about it is if you go behind, it's got this flip screen, so that when you go and film yourself, you can actually see yourself on the screen. So just make sure you're in the frame and all that. That's a really handy feature. So if you're thinking about doing YouTube videos and you're determined to buy a camera, I would highly recommend this one. So this is all my current kit. Well, not all of it actually, but most of it is here. I've got a second camera which I use sometimes mainly for portraits, like when I'm taking pictures of people. From here, if you're starting a YouTube channel, from this collection here, I think the most important thing you're going to need is lots of these. These are batteries. The videos really drain up your batteries on cameras, so you're gonna get through a lot of these, and you need to have at least 3 or 4. What else you're gonna need from here? You're gonna need different lenses. So for some videos you're going to need a tighter angle, as in like pointing at the person who's speaking. For some videos you're going to need a wider angle. So this is my tight angle 50mm lens, and don't be scared, this is taken I think years to build up. So you when you get into, say, photography or making videos, you find that your collection, your kit collection, builds up slowly over years. So I didn't actually go to the shop and buy all this in one day. This has built up over 5, 6, 7 years. You're gonna need external hard drive, because videos are big files and they take up a lot of space. You're gonna need an external hard drive, otherwise you're gonna end up putting all your videos on your computer. Your computer is gonna be really slow and rubbish, so you need to invest in an external hard drive. Finally, let me show you what I use to edit my videos. And I use Premiere Pro, which is, I think it's a really great software. I get it on subscription. I think I pay about £20 a month, and it's worth every penny because you get other software as well. You get Photoshop, you get Dreamweaver, you get Lightroom, you get a lot of software, and I think for £20 a month it's definitely worth it. I'm not gonna lie, it's a very steep learning curve. You're not gonna learn this in a week or two. It's gonna take some time, and it's quite deep, so you need some technical knowledge to learn it, but it really is, it's amazing. The things you can do on it is, and the quality of videos you can achieve is really, really good.